Have you ever wanted to create beautiful and functional data visualizations using Microsoft Power BI? Well, you found the right course. I'm Parker, and I'm a SQL and business intelligence developer who's been developing Power BI applications for years. Through my profession, I have discovered how to create stunning reports that people will love to use, and I want to share these techniques with you. This course is designed to be fast-paced to get you building your own reports in less than a couple of hours. Here's an overview of the course contents. First, we set up our work environment, which includes SQL Server, a sample database, and Power BI Desktop. Then we jump into report building by introducing some of the most common visuals and when to use them. We perform complex calculations using advanced DAX queries in order to build a more useful and robust data model. Next, we cover some styling tips and tricks to make your report more visually appealing to your end users. Finally, we push our report to Power BI Service, where we can easily share a report with others and configure automatic data refreshes. At this point, you will be proud of what you have built, and you will see just how addicting building data visualizations in Power BI can be. When you're ready, enroll in the course and let's get started making a truly impressive Power BI application.